Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure mobile data limit on OPPO A38. To do this, we'll need to open our settings, then we can go for mobile network. Inside, select more settings, or actually data usage. Then we can go for data usage limit. And now you can activate daily data usage limit or monthly data usage limit. There's also option to start calculating data usage from, which means when this limit will reset for a monthly option. And in this case, okay, we're gonna go for the first day of the month. Now let's activate daily data usage and see all of the settings here. So we can enter our number of limit for daily mobile data, and then we can customize how we'll be notified if the data limit is reached. We can receive alert only, or we can receive alert and it will automatically turn off mobile data on our phone. Now, okay, we need to set the number, so 500 megabytes. Now, next thing is monthly data usage limit, and here we can change between megabytes and gigabytes. The same was before, but I forgot to mention it. And now let's enter the number, and keep in mind that 1000 megabytes is 1 gigabyte, and in this case we're gonna go for 5,500 of megabyte, which is 5.5 gigabyte. Then we can again change what happens when a data limit is reached. We can receive the alert, or it can automatically turn off our mobile data. And one thing that is different from daily data usage here is a data warning that we can activate and choose when we reach it. And then we can choose the value that will reach, will receive a data warning. So we're gonna go for 3 gigabytes like that. Click on OK and your mobile data limit is set. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.